Hi, my name's Shelley Pitser, Vice President of Operations Accounting for Cartus Corporation. Cartus is the industry leader in global relocation. We have 17 global service centers and do business in 185 countries. We have 2,700 employees in the Americas and an additional 800 employees in EMEA and Asia Pacific. As a customer service provider, RPA is important to us because with automation comes inherent quality, and it also allows our employees to better focus on the needs of our customers, our clients, and rather than dealing with the repetitive tasks, that brings a value add to our organization. We completed our 6-month pilot in February. It was specific to our finance functions and was extremely successful. Our goal was to put 5 bots into production, and we deployed 26 that run daily. That success helped us influence expanding the program to our entire organization. We've established a center of excellence made up of subject matter experts from all areas of the organization. We're pairing those seasoned COE members up with our new RPA business process owners to help that learning happen a little bit quicker as we expand to the organization. Some of our best ideas came from asking our employees, what is it that you don't like to do? Automating these things frees them up to spend more time on the more rewarding human elements of their job. Last but certainly not least, having RPA as a tool in our toolbox has really opened up more opportunities to say yes to our clients and customer requests. I can see us expanding our RPA program to include the IQ bot, probably in the next year or two. And I can see Automation Anywhere playing a key role in helping us to continue to grow our program for the foreseeable future.